Hello students, today I will discuss about multiplication. Okay. Before I am into the topic multiplication, homework. So multiplication tables tables 2 to 15 of 2 to 15 for class 3 and for class 4 5 to 20 for class 4. Okay. It is the very important part in mathematical life, so everyone should read properly the multiplication table. Okay. So first homework. So first, before you going to solve the exercise of multiplication, or you start the chapter multiplication, you first memorize the table. Okay. Now I will discuss about multiplication, its properties, how to multiply it. So what is the meaning of multiplication? What is the meaning of multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. So what is the meaning of multiplication? So multiplication means the repeated addition. 4 into 5 equal to, so 4 into 5, that means repeated addition. So if we add 5 4 times, then we get the result of the multiplication 4 into 5, and everyone know sign of the multiplication is multiply into. So what is the result? So 4 into 5, that means we add 5 4 times. Okay. So what is the result? 20. Or you can say that 4 times 5 or 5 times 4. So we repeated addition, that means we add repeatedly 4. How many times? 5 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 for the 8, 12, 12 and 4, 16, 16 and 4, 20. So 20. So it is the concept of multiplication. But when we will solve the multiplication, we directly follow the table. So 4 into 5, that means you can say that 4 5s are how much? So in table it was given 4 5s are 20. Okay. For concept, this one. Okay. Or in another way also we can define the multiplication. So 4 into 5, that means 4 groups of 5. So 4 groups of 5. So 4 group is there. Each group contain 5 member or 5 value. So what is the value? 4 groups. So 1 group 5, 2 group 5 plus 5 10, 3 group 5 10 plus 5 15, then 4 group 20. So in this way you can define the multiplication. Okay. Or you can say that 4 5s equal to 20. Okay. So it is the concept multiplication, that means repeated addition. Okay. So if we add 5 repeatedly 4 times, then the result is 20. If we add 4 repeatedly 5 times, then the result is 20. And first value is called multiplicand. equal to 20. First value is called multiplicand, second value multiplier, and it is the product or answer or result. Oh, one thing multiplication and multiplier. Okay, the number being multiplied are called factor of the product or answer or result. Okay, so 4 or 5 is called 4 and 5 is called the factor of 20. Okay, in next class you need factor, or in class 4 later you will learn about factor. That time you can use this concept. So if we multiply, multiplicand and multiplier both are factor of the product. Okay, so multiplication, but when we multiplication means this one, actual meaning this one, but when we multiply two values we directly write the answer from the table. So 4 5 is 20. In this way we write the answer. Okay, it is the concept of multiplication. Next I will discuss some properties of multiplication. So first property is property of 1. Okay, it is very important and you already know someone. If we multiply 1 with any number, then the result is the number. Okay, example, if we multiplied 1 with 1259, then the result is the number, that means result is 1259. Okay, or you can memorize also in this way. If we multiply it with any number, then result is same. Okay, so if we multiply it 1 with 1259, then result is same 1259. Okay, it is the first property. Property number 2, in short I write here P2. So property number 2, property of 0. Property of 0, ZRO. So what is the property? If we multiply 0 with any number, then the result is 0. That means this 0. Okay, second property, that means 0 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 equal to, what is the result? If we multiply 0 with any number, so it does not matter the value is how much large. If we multiply 0 with any number, then the value is 0. Okay, it is the property number 2. And next property of, or order property, or you can say commutative property. order property of multiplication. Okay, order property of multiplication. If we change the order or position of multiplicand and multiplier, then also the result is same. Okay, that means if we multiplied 4 into 5, okay, here multiplier 4 and multiplicand 4 and multiplier 5. If we multiply 5 with 4, that means if we change the position of 4 and 5, or if we change the order of 4 and 5, then what is the value? 4 5 is 20 and 5 4 is also 20. Then value is not changed. So you can write multiplier first value in 4 into 5 or 5 into 4. Does not matter. Okay. So it is the third property, and another property is there. Another property is distributive property. Distributive property. Property. It is generally for class 4. So if class 3 students you have problem or you can't understand the property clear properly, then no problem. So what is distributive property? A into B plus C, A distribute with B and with C, and sign remains same. So we can write A into B plus A into C. Okay, or A into B plus A into C equal to A into B plus C. This is the distributive property. That means if any two terms, two multiplication connected with plus or minus, then we multiplied the same number with the sum of other. Okay, for example, 4 into 5 plus 4 into 2. Okay, what is the value? So directly we can say that here 4 is same, so same number, same value here into the sum of others. So 5 plus 2, so 4 into 7, so 4 7 is 28. Or if we directly find the value, so 4 5 is 20 and 4 2 is 8 plus 8, 28. So in both cases the value is equal. Okay. It is generally for class 4. Next thing is multiplication. Now it came to the main topic, multiplication. So multiplication by one digit number. digit number. For example, 251 into 6. Okay. So here multiplier is one digit number. If any of one is one digit number, then how to multiply? Okay. Or 6 into 251. Then how to multiply it? First we write the bigger value. Okay. So 251 multiplied by 6. Okay. Right in the lower line 6 below the unit place digit. Okay. Then multiply it first 6 into 1. So 6 1 ja 6. Then 6 into 5. 6 5 ja 30. So when the number is two digit number, then one place digit sit here and 10 place digit carried over. We know in case of addition also, if the number is two digit number, then one place digit put here and 10 place digit carried over. So 5 6 are 30. So 30 0 here and carry 3. Next multiply 6 with 2. So 6 2 ja or 2 6 ja 12 and carry 3. 12 and 3 15 and there is no number. So write 15. Okay. So 51506 is the result. So in this way we multiplied by one digit number. If first number is 4 digit number, 1 2 3 4 multiplied by 5 into 5, then similar 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 into 5. So 5 4 is 20 0 22 digit number, so 0 sit here and 2 carried over. 5 3 is 15 15 is the result of this multiplication. And what is the carry? 2. So 15 plus 2 17. So 17 again a 2 digit number, so 7 right here and 1 carried over. 5 2 is 10 and carry 1 11. So 11 all again a 2 digit number, so 1 sit here and 1 carried over. So 5 1 is 5 and carry 1 6. So in this way we multiply it by one digit number. Okay. Now multiplication of two digit number. Multiplication by two digit number. For example, 251 into 23. Okay. How to multiply it? So here also similar. First write the bigger value and in lower second line smaller value, or in second row smaller value, multiply. So here first we multiplied by 3 with this number. So if we multiplied by 3, so multiplied by 3, 3 1 ja 3. Next 3 into 5 15 2 digit number, so 5 sit here and 1 carried over. Next 3 into 2 6 and 1 carry 7. Okay, so multiplication by 3 complete. Now we multiplied by 2 and write lower of this value, and one rules is there, we give cross or 0 at the last below the last digit. Okay, so when we multiplied with second number, then we give cross at the last digit below the last digit, then multiplied with 2 and write the result here. So 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 digit number, so 0 and 1 carried over. So 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. Then add these two result, we get the result of this multiplication. So it becomes 3 7 5775. So 5773 is the result. Okay. You can also multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit number. 25 into 25, similar rules, or 65 into 25, similar rule. Okay, similar rules. So 65 into 25. So what is the rules? First we multiplied with this number. Okay, so if we multiply with this number, 5 5 is 25. 25 is 2-digit number, so 5 sit here and 2 carried over. So 2 carry. 6 5 is 30 and 2 carry, 30 and 2 31, 32. So 32. Now what is the rule? When we multiply by second value of this number, so first we give cross below the last digit. Okay, or you can put here 0 also. Okay, if you put here 0, then no problem. So 2 5 is 10, 2-digit number, so 0 sit here and 1 carried over. 6 2 is 12, 12 and 1 13, 13. Then what is the rules? We add these two value and we get the result. So 5 2 6 1, 1 6 2 5 is the result. Okay. Similarly, you multiply 4-digit number 2 4 3 5 into 15. So 15 right here, and the process is same. First we multiplied by 5 with this number right here, last digit cross, multiplied by 1 and right here, and add these two values, you get the result. Okay. And multiplication by 3-digit number also same. 3-digit number also same. Okay. No need to now discuss 3-digit number. Okay. Oh, another thing is left. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Okay. So how to multiply 5 into 1000? So what is the value? 1000 into 5, 5000. Okay. So 5000. It is the result. So what is the actual rule? So we multiply and put the all zeros at the last. Okay. Or you can directly put the zeros at the last of the number. For example, 261 into 100. So 261, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So 0 0 is the result. Okay. Or 3 into 10. So 3 and 1 0. 3 10 is 30. Okay. Or 2 5 into 100 or 1000. So 25 into 1000. First you write 25 and put the zeros. 25,000. Now multiplication by multiples of 10, 100, 1000. That means multiplied by 20, 30, 300, 400. Okay. That means when 1 or 2 0 is there at the last. Okay. For example, 25 into 500 or 5000. Okay. So we can write 25 into 5000. Thousands. So or 5 into 5000. Okay. Because it is easier to do orally, otherwise you can't understand. So 5 into 5,000, that means 5 into 5,000, it is 5,000. So 5,000. Now 5 5 yeah 25. So 25,000 thousands. So 25,000 in numeral, 25,000, that means at the last 3 zeros. So it is the actual process, but no need to show these two lines. Okay, we directly multiplied these two values, that means multiplied without 0 and put the 0 in the result. So 5 5 are 25, put the zeros at the end of the result, or 5 5 are 25 and put the 0 at the last 3 zeros is there, 0 0 0. Okay, it is the result. Or another example, 1 2 3 into 2000 or 200. Okay, so no need to multiply the total in this way, 1 2 3 into 200. No need to multiply it in this way. You multiply only 1 2 3 into 2 and put the 0 at the last. So 1 2 3 into 2, 6 4 2. So 2 6 4 is the result by multiplied this value. So what is the rules for this one? Multiplied first the values without zeros. So if we multiplied without zeros, then what is the result? 246, and put the 0 at the last. So 0 0 is the result. Okay. Homework. Okay, today I will not give the homework. So only homework for you, the multiplication table of 2 to 15. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 15 for class 3, and for class 4 it is 5 to 20 for class 4. Okay, after that you open your book and try to solve first exercise or second exercise, but before you will solve the exercise, first you memorize the table. Multiplication table is the must. Okay, so tata.